Are you ready?
Red, red. She wore a beautiful red dress. Blue, blue. The sky is clear and blue. Green, green. The leaves are green in spring. Yellow, yellow. He has a bright yellow umbrella. Orange, orange. The sunset painted the sky orange. Purple, purple. She likes purple flowers. Brown, brown. He has brown eyes. Pink, pink. The room is decorated in pink. Black, black. She is wearing a black coat. White, white. The snow is white and fluffy. Red, blue, green, yellow, orange, purple, brown, pink, black, white. Congratulations! See you later.